So if you remember my first video, I repaired the exhaust by hastily welding it back in. But I did a pretty terrible job. And since I have the axle out already, I might as well fix that terrible job. So I cut the old patch welding out. As you can see, I did a very bad job of it, and I didn't have the right inner sleeve, so it didn't fit. So I cut it out. I got a piece of tube that is now missing. I got a tube that's the correct size this time. Like this. And I'm just gonna clean up. So I just gotta clean up around here and then weld this tube on to make up for how much I've cut off. And then weld on the other side. And then I can stick the whole thing back in because I actually unbolted it this time. That's pretty good. I hung the exhaust back up here, so this will make it easy to figure out how much of a gap I need to cut out of this pipe here. Looks like I'm gonna need about an inch or so, and then hopefully not have to adjust it a billion times in order to get it to go on straight. So based on our very rough measurements, I'm gonna need about an inch. This is the sleeve I cut. I just kind of got it in the right spot where I wanted it, and then I taped it in place so I can tack it. And I'm gonna do it the same with on this side, and I'll show you that right now. Well, when I went and touched it, it all fell apart on me, so I had to get it reset up. But I made some Sharpie marks so I don't lose my place anymore. That scared the hell out of me. Alright, we got the first side tacked in. Let's get this other side. It would help if I turned on the welder. At a closer ground. See if that holds. And there we go. A hell of a lot better than last time. I'm gonna hit it with the flap disc just to make sure there's no pinholes or anything. And then I can bolt it in and finally get back to actually putting in the axles.